Nancy, and today I'm going to show my everyday makeup routine to you. In my previous video I have shown how I do my skincare that I have uploaded like 6 months ago, but yeah, after that if you will go check out that video you can see the difference in my skin. I have picked my products after so much trial and error, तो मैं बस quickly जो भी everyday makeup करती हूँ I'm just going to tell you guys that. So I'm not a very big fan of putting on foundation on my face. This is my pouch here. I keep all of my makeup, so I'm just going to pick things one by one. Let me just okay, so I have two concealer. ये दोनों मैं mix and match करके use कर लेती हूँ. Both are from K Beauty. One is this shade 100 Y light and 100 neutral light. So these are the two concealers that I use. Also, I'm so sorry for all this background noise because the area where I'm living is very near to the main road, so we have a lot of traffic. I think this much should do. Just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna go back and bring my mirror. I just use my hands only to blend things on my face, but you can definitely use a brush or a beauty blender, but I prefer to do it this way. So I'm just going to look into my mirror and blend it. I feel suddenly elevated सा feel होता है when you do makeup, you look good, you dress cute, तो automatically जो mood है वो lift हो जाता है. I don't know if I'm gonna continue or not, but somebody had asked me for a makeup tutorial, 1 or 2 people, so I'm just doing it for them. And I would be happy to know like what medium you want these like when I say medium, like what language you guys prefer. Hindi chalega ya you prefer English, then I'm going to make videos in that language. I only know 2 languages. You cannot hide the bump, you can only just hide little bit of redness, so it's fine. Makeup does look like you have something on your face. Another is this compact, just to set my under eyes so they won't get as a creasy, they will look creasy. So to avoid that I'm just going to set my under eyes ताकि मेरा concealer जो है वो it stays in its place, वो वहीं पे रहे जहाँ I want it to be. By the way, I'm also on Instagram. You can follow me there as well. ठीक है, सेट कर लिया. उसके बाद I am just, oh by the way, this is from K Beauty and it is also 100 neutral light shade. It's a matte compact. Now another one is also from K Beauty. Like most of the products that I'm using are from K Beauty. This is the blush in the shade Flirty Nude, तो हमें थोड़ा सा नोज पर and some on my chin as well. It is not that much visible on the camera, but when I'm looking in the mirror, it's this much only. And I don't like to put blush bahut zyada. It doesn't look that natural. So this much is fine. Then you can put for eyes. I don't like to do much on regular basis, so you can put some kajal if you want, and you can, or maybe just some eyeshadow, which we are going to do like little. I can just put blush as well on my eyelids, but I'm going to go in. This is a palette from Swiss Beauty. I have 03 number palette, so I use this not regularly, but yeah, I do use this one. I did not invest in a big eyeshadow palette because earlier when I did, I couldn't even use it and it expired. Just this brown color I'm just going to take little bit on my brush, and I am going to put it under my eyes. Since we are not going to do anything bold for eyes, we are keeping it a very clean look. So yeah, just to give some definition to the eyes. I think it's going to rain, but yeah. Like, I don't like to put that much mascara. My lashes are already little, like, they are fine in length, it's just they are kind of straight, so we are just going to curl them. Okay. Now we are going to go in with this lip liner from MAC. It is in the shade Whirl. The shade name is Whirl. So I'm just going to line my lips. It doesn't look much. ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि you have something on your lips, but you do have something. Very natural. Now this is the lipstick from Huda Beauty in the shade Girls Trip. So this one I'm just going to fill my lips with it. The light has gone. It's about to rain, so my natural light has gone. But yeah, this is the final look. This is the only, like, these are the only few products you need. You can also put some gloss, which I don't know where I kept it, but it must be in one of my bags. But you can put a lip gloss over it, and that should do that. That will make it look more cleaner. That is what I feel. More natural and cleaner over this lip combo. And yeah, we are good to go. Thank you for watching, and please do let me know in the comments if you like the video or disliked it, or you want some improvisation या आपको लगता है you have some feedback for me or you have some tips for me, I am open to all the feedbacks. So thanks for staying, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye.